In this video, we will see how to download and install PostgreSQL on Windows 10 operating system. PostgreSQL is also called Postgres and is an open source object relational database system. Let us see how we can install Postgres on Windows 10. Open your browser and search PostgreSQL. Click on this link from postgresql.org, which is the official PostgreSQL website. At the top, you can see download button. Scrolling down, you can see different PostgreSQL releases, release notes, and the download button. I will click on the download button at the top. Here you can see download links for various operating systems. Since we are going to install Postgres on Windows, click on the Windows link. You can see download installer link. Also, you can read this note. The installer contains PostgreSQL Server, pgAdmin, which is a GUI tool for managing databases. Click on download the installer. We will download the latest version of PostgreSQL, which is 17.5 at the time of recording this video. Click on the download link below Windows corresponding to PostgreSQL 17.5. This will start downloading PostgreSQL installer for Windows. Wait until the download is finished. Once the download is finished, open the downloaded file. Double-click the downloaded PostgreSQL.exe file to start PostgreSQL installation. Click Yes to confirm. PostgreSQL installation setup has started. Click Next. Setup will by default install PostgreSQL to this location. You can change the installation location from here if you want. I will keep the default location to install PostgreSQL. Click Next. Select components. Setup will install PostgreSQL Server, pgAdmin, Stack Builder and command line tool. Let us install all these components. So keep all items checked. Click Next. Select the PostgreSQL data directory. By default, PostgreSQL will keep all of its data in this directory. You can change PostgreSQL data directory here if you want. I will keep the default data directory. Click Next. Now you need to provide a password for PostgreSQL super user. It is recommended to provide a complex password for PostgreSQL super user. Type password. Retype the password. Click Next. 5432 will be the default port on which PostgreSQL will be running. Keep this as it is. Click Next. Locale, let us select English India. Pre-installation summary. Setup is ready to install. Click Next. Setup is installing PostgreSQL. Wait until the installation is finished. Setup has completed PostgreSQL installation. Selecting this checkbox will launch Stack Builder, which can be used to download and install additional tools to complement the PostgreSQL installation. Click Finish. Stack Builder window is open. I will click Cancel for now. You can use this in future to install additional softwares to enhance PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL installation is complete. Let me close this window. Now let us see what softwares are installed. Click on the Start button. Scrolling down, you can see menu item for PostgreSQL 17. Expand the menu by clicking down arrow. So these are the softwares that got installed. Click on pgAdmin 4, which is a GUI to manage databases. This is the pgAdmin 4 interface. Click on Servers. Enter the password for user Postgres. You can provide the password we have created for the super user Postgres during the setup process. pgAdmin is connected to the PostgreSQL server. Click on Databases. You can see PostgreSQL default database Postgres. You can create a new Postgres database by right-clicking and select Create Database. Provide a name for the new database. Let us name new database as EmployeeDB. Click Save. You can see the new database is created. Let me minimize pgAdmin. Let us explore one more tool we have installed. Go to Start, PostgreSQL 17, Expand. Click on psql shell. psql shell is a command line interface to interact with PostgreSQL databases. Server is localhost. Press Enter. Database is Postgres, which is the default database that PostgreSQL comes with. Press Enter. Port 5432. Press Enter. Username Postgres, which is the PostgreSQL super user. Press Enter. Provide the password for Postgres user we have created during the setup process. PSQL shell is connected to the PostgreSQL server. We are in the Postgres shell as the user Postgres. So this is how you can download and install PostgreSQL on your Windows 10 operating system. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching.